Hi, I've got Chief Architect X12, the big brother of Home Designer Pro, open, and I've created a little simple house with a deck or a balcony, if you will. That's what it looks like currently. And if I wanted to have uprights up here, I think one of the things that, let me just go Shift F6, Shift key F6. That's up here like under view. Oh, it's window, tile horizontally, or, Shift F6, tile vertically. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so you can see both sides at the same time. I'm gonna select one view here. I'm gonna go over here and select these walls and open the dialog box for all three walls. And I don't want this kind of inside type baluster, so I'm gonna go over to Newels of Balusters and make it more of an outside thing. I'm gonna just put square and square. And we'll make the newel posts 3.5 inches thick to emulate a 2x4. And we don't need that fancy railing on top, so I'm gonna go over to rails. And that one there, I'm gonna make a default one. Oh, okay. I want just something that's rectangular and square like you'd have on an outside, not that. I want to just go to plain old architectural moldings, handrails. Something's just on a rectangle, I like that. See, get the idea? Now I don't need it that wide. It's going to make it 5 inches thick. Yeah, 5 inches wide, excuse me. Okay, now also what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to rail style for those three walls. And I'm going to change this Newels and post setting from post to rail to post to beam. And automatically, that'll create posts. And I want those posts to show in plan view, so I'm going to go over here and not draw the rails. Okay. Bingo. Okay. And if I want to change the spacing on the rails, also on these two walls, I want to go to rail style again, and make sure that oh, this is X12. They changed this dialog since X11. Yeah, no, I don't want to half post. Okay, it's not checked. Okay, that's fine. Now on this wall, maybe I want more posts. So how do you get more posts? We'll just go over to Newels and Balusters and change the spacing here. We'll make it like 72 between the posts. We get more posts. Or if you were to add a stair, let me add the terrain, create terrain perimeter. There we go. Let's say I wanted to put a stair here. I'm going to go to the stair tool, stair, there it is. And I want to use the arrow or click stair tool. And we'll click there, create the stairs, and it creates more posts. Now I'm going to put a door over here and then center that door up, up, up. Where's the center tool? There it is. I'm going to take the stairs and center the stairs on the door. Yeah, okay, that's pretty good. Now, let's say I don't really need this many posts. I'm going to click on that wall there. We can click on it in plan view, either way works. And then you go to the Newels and Balusters. I'm going to put the spacing up to 12 feet. Hit the tab key. You can see now that it eliminates all the posts except for at the opening and at the ends. And if you need more precise location of posts, then yeah, you do it manually. But most of the time, you don't have to do it manually. Okay? That's what I wanted to communicate to you. Hope this helps you, and whether it does or not, have a great day.